Want to know the secret ingredient to making the fluffiest, super moist, and most flavorful orange muffin? Well, stick with me till the end of this video and I will reveal the special ingredient that takes these muffins to the next level. And the secret ingredient might surprise you. So come on, let's get baking! We will squeeze the orange zest with the sugar so that it will release all of its oil. And this is our secret special ingredient, orange soda. Orange soda will give the butter a citruny and vibrant flavor for that extra punch of sweetness. And those bubbles in the soda, it will help lighten the butter, creating an airy texture. And soda adds moisture to the butter, which can result into a softer and more tender crumbs. Shh! And that is our secret for a muffin that is extra fluffy, super moist, and bursting with citrusy flavor. Have you noticed that most of the time, muffins are dense and so oily to make it soft and moist? And thanks to our special ingredient, which is the orange soda. And these muffins are slightly crisp golden, while inside is moist and fluffy. And that is because of the carbonation in the soda. And soda adds a playful effervescent, making the muffins incredibly light and airy with a soft, tender crumbs. And for the moment of truth, look at that. Soft, tender crumbs. So fluffy and moist. And the orangey flavor offers a refreshing burst of citrus in every bite. I hope you'll give this a try. And if you want more simple, easy, and yummy recipes, please don't forget to subscribe. And it's shout out time to Mimi Roses of USA, and of course to Raquel Poyawan of Rome, Italy. To our dear sisters of the Holy Face of Jesus, Rome, Italy, namely Sor Agnes, Sor Catherine, Sor Flor, Sor Carmela, and Sor Teresa. Hi there! So until next, thanks for watching, guys. Please do take care, stay well, God bless. Bye!